Hello and welcome to this episode. My name is Mustafa Lawal, and in this lesson we learn how to copy and paste in CorelDRAW. So I believe that by now you already know what copy and paste is all about, but let's just talk about it. So look at this object now. Let's say I want more copy of this object. Let me collapse this text, so we're not dealing with that now. So if you go to edit here, you see option of cut, copy, and whatsoever. There's no option. The text there, they are gray out because we've not copied anything to paste. So if I should cut this thing now, it will disappear. Then if I should create another page now and come to this page now, and I go to the same edit and I click paste, it will paste at the same place. But the difference is that this page now is wider than. So what I will do now, for you to see it clearly, I will create a duplicate of this page like this. Then I'll come to this one now. I'll cut it from here. You can right click as well instead of going to edit, and I'll come here I will paste here. You can see it's at the same position as it was here. So let me cut again, paste, or we come to this paste and paste, or use your shortcut key control control plus V. So that is it, and it will paste. So let's assume that this object now, it is here, and you want to, now we can see we've done for the cut. You know what it means to cut, and so we have copy now. I want to get a copy of this thing. If I should go to this place and just click paste, it will paste in place. That is on top of this one. You can see we have two copies now. Let me undo. You can undo or use Control Z, Control plus Z. This one now. So let me say I want to paste in view where I will see it. If I click on this one, see where it pastes. So you can see that I'm seeing it clearly from here. So let me still cancel it because I just want to show you. I hope you have seen it. So if I should go to this same place now, we have a duplicate, which is Control D, and it will create a copy of that one for you. Okay, we also have this option of a clone. You can see. So now that is that. So how do you now so first of all, come to your view, ensure that this alignment guide is checked. So now let's zoom in clearly. So if I should move this object now, like this page like this is okay for me. I'll right click to copy it there, that is duplicate. I'll move it again, so right click to get copy of it there. So if I should press Ctrl plus D now, we follow the same pattern. Okay, you can see it, and it will maintain the same spacing in between them. You can go on and on like that. You can go on, you can see. So now let me, from here to this place, I don't want it. Let me delete. So let's assume that I have this one like this, and I want to like get a copy of it here like this. So look at this one now, right click to get a copy, move it again. You can see spacing is now the same. Right click, and if I should control with Control D now, it will maintain that space and keep giving me the large copies. You can see how wonderful this is. Instead of doing it one like that, you can see how fast I'm able to achieve these things like this. So now let me delete. That is that for that. I hope you've seen it. So the next one I will want to show you now. Okay, so let me bring this to page first. So instead of doing it that way, you can come to your case. You cannot find your transform here. You can click this plus button and you check, you look for it wherever it is. Just look for it here. Okay, mine is checked already, so I will just expand it. So if I should click on this side now that I want a copy of this object at that side, you have to give it a distance, the gap between the, let's say 10 centimeters now, 10.4 centimeter. How many copies do you want? Is it just 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? Is it 5? Anyone, just click apply and you have it like this. You can see this is easy, right? So select everything again I will switch it to like down here, so I have space at the down. So this distance now -6, or maybe we'll take 10. Let me increase it to like, no, let's go with 10. And how many copies do I want? Let's say 8. Okay, apply, and you have it like this. Just look at it, so you can see how beautiful this is. I can just select from here now and delete. See you in our next class.